All right. What you do in order for you to start selling domain, how to register, how to integrate your domain name API or whichever registrar models. For you to start selling domain on your WHMCS, you need a model of a particular registrar that you'll be synchronizing to your system to enable you to do that. To enable you to do that, go ahead and search for me, for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use domain name API models. Domain name API. Look at domain name API for WHMCS. Search for it. When you search for it, let me show you how you download it. Right. Don't take this is our official website. After that, please, if you want to use them, you go and register as a domain reseller. I've used them before. You here check on this WHMCS marketplace. You will see their models. You will download the zip file. You know, you get it for free here. Free, then you follow every other process, you download it, and after downloading it, you hold back to after downloading it here is let's wait it's loading. If you have gotten this file, okay, you get it for free. All right, after getting it, you will then go ahead and add it. All right, look at it. When you click on get it now, you get it for free. Get it now. But I don't think I will be getting this for now. Okay, to give you, if you take, I'll just show you how to download it. I don't think I will be needing it for now because I already have the file on my system. Alright, it's loading. Let me show you how you can get it. Alright, it's done. You just the source code, you just click this zip source code, it will start downloading. But for me, I've gotten it. Go to your cPanel. When you get to your cPanel, I think I've already added it. Let me see if I've added it. I will remove it and add it again. You go to models. From there you go to register. If I have it here, I will remove it. I already have it here. I will remove it and I'll add it again. All right, delete domain name API. All right, look at it here. All right, I will remove it and add it again. All right, let me delete. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll add it again. So you just upload it here. You already see how I entered under registrar inside models. You upload this file that you downloaded from the website. Okay, you upload it. Look at it. You see it like this. You open within less than a minute. It has downloaded. Then I can close here. Then we reload. When we reload, we see the file. Look at it. Look at the file. So you just unzip this file, extract it inside registrar, extract it there. It's done. You check when you reload, you check, you see domain name API. Okay, look at it here. Look at it here. Models, registrar, domain name API. Move this backward so it can be seen. It should just be inside registrar. Remove all of this thing and leave it here. You move it here. Okay, it is done. So once that is done, you can now check on your WHMCS. Alright, so to see it now, you go to system settings. From system settings, you type on registrar, then it's already active because I've activated it before. So after activating it, you configure it. Your own may not be, then you write. If you don't have an account with domain name API, you click here to become a reseller and it will take you register and fill all the required information to get started. Then when you are done, The next thing you have to do is, for you to start selling domain name, you have to synchronize it. You can go to utility. I think utility. Look at what I'm doing. You click on registrar TLD synchronization. You're going to synchronize all the registrar. But in this case, it might not capture anything because you have not registered. Here there are supposed to be some domain this thing such that you can set. But I'm going to use this. I think this is my own. When you click on that synchronize, once you click on that synchronize, let me synchronize this now. Our network is failing us. Okay, please be patient with me. Right, we are done. I just telling you how you can get your TLD. So when someone search, the person can see. You click here, you click on the synchronize, just as I told you before, to import all TLD. Although for me I have other TLDs here. Then you click on the uh, domain pricing. You understand? Click on the domain pricing. Once you click on that, this thing is going to load, but that will be after you have filled your username and password. When you become a reseller, you have to register, you have to sign up. Where is that sign up button? As you accept, you have to sign up. This is already domain reseller, or you become a reseller. Okay, you become a reseller, then become a reseller. Now you sign up. Then once that is done, like here now, what you have to do is you fill all this information, fetching TODs and pricing information. Now this one is, I think, my own, and since it's mine, it has been configured to be working on 20%, so I make 20% again for each of the domain I sell. So yours, you just allow it to be percentage. Sometimes if you feel it as a fixed price, if there are fluctuation in the if there are fluctuations in what is it called, if there are fluctuations, my own, I don't need to be doing all this thing because they are already synchronized, the prices are there already. So if you percentage, you add how many percent you want to be making. So what this will be do, the WHCS will be helping you now. If for example they are selling the domain for $11, if you add 20%, it's going to check the 20% of $11, and that will be what you'll be selling it. What will you be rounding it up? You should be rounding it up with some people use 99, some people use 89. Then redemption, when you want it to synchronize redemption period, you can place this on. When you want it to automatically register, so you don't bother yourself when payment is made, you can click on this place. So after doing that, you can import, or you go and click or import. After importing, you click on import TLDs. This is just to show you, this is just to show you, this is just to show you. So that's all. You import the TLD. When you import it, you can allow it, it can take up to 10 minutes, it can take up to 5 or 10 minutes before you can import all. After importing, on when they search for any domain name, if it is valid, it will allow that person to register. If it's not valid, it will tell you if you have been registered, it will tell you invalid. I think with this, I have been able to explain to you how you can configure and set up registrar for domain. When you are done with that, you go to the front of your website and check it, and I think that will be done.